This is death from the sky, decapitating birds in mid-flight. In reality, it's the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest bird in the world, using its signature hunting technique, the dive. First, it soars to great heights, then plummets toward its prey in a high-speed dive. During this descent, it can reach speeds of up to 390 kilometers an hour, or 242 miles per hour, striking its target with incredible force and turning it into lunch. This rocket-like attack is so lethal that the prey only realizes it's being hunted, never knowing where the strike came from.